Compared with the conventional setup procedure of your machine, due to shorter setup times, you do save time when using our zero-point clamping system, and that means you are saving hard cash. The fastening of the workpiece with screws, the positioning by means of T-slot nuts, the alignment as well as the zero-point determination are no longer applicable. Even a restart after an interruption of the machining cycle is possible without zeroing. Only the modular ZeroClamp system offers the substantial advantage of a high degree of production flexibility. Whereas other systems position the clamping devices via a cylindrical or conical clearance fit, the ZeroClamp solution acts as an HSK tool taper. Due to the elasticity of the interface, you obtain a zero backlash together with an axial face contact, absolutely without any backlash. At all, the ZeroClamp clamping system impresses by its sophisticated concept. The clamping system uses one only type of clamping bolt, thus offering enormous logistic advantages. The pallet is simply placed onto the open ZeroClamp chuck, without any risk of tilting, while spring elements keep the locking unit open by providing an air pressure of 6 bar in the air hose. When bleeding the air hose, ZeroClamp will position the workpiece with a high holding force and a repeatability of 2.5 thousandths of a millimeter. By the way, conventional systems often show a problem with regard to the thermosymmetrical aspect, insofar that thermal variations shift the workpiece out of the zero position. The reason for this is the use of zero bolts, free bolts, and floating bolts in the clamping system. This will not happen with the ZeroClamp system. The clamping cones integrated and vulcanized in the chucks are provided with radial springs, thus compensating any thermal dilation of the pallet. Even in the case of highest thermal variations, the pallet zero point will always remain within the center of the turning axis, an essential quality requirement not only for machining on rotary tables. Extremely little and simple components are a guarantee for an extremely high operational reliability. Even chips cannot adversely affect the functions. By fastening only one clamping bolt directly on the workpiece, thus saving further clamping devices, machining can be done much easier and yet much more economical. As the chucks can be supplied in various sizes and designs, you may be able to properly integrate the system into your production environment. In line with this, we will supply individual base units, which, on your request, shall be produced for your highly diverse machines. For the use of active clamping devices, the clamping table may be docked quickly and easily onto an already existing energy supply. In general, ZeroClamp may be thought of as a comprehensive, easy-to-handle modular system. In the case of 5-axis machining, we will provide you with appropriate auxiliaries, such as consoles that enlarge the distances to the clamping table. Suitably, in addition, we can supply the particular clamping accessories to be mounted onto the consoles. ZeroClamp clamping systems and automation, a tailor-made and perfect solution for efficient and economic machining.